Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to Mocha's World. So I've just purchased this Chromium Picolinate supplement from Amazon. I've been hearing a lot about it, that it's good for people that have pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, things like that. So I thought I would give it a try. So this container has 365 tablets and you're supposed to take one a day. So I'm going to open it. Quite a few small white tablets. So I'm going to take one, get the day started with some water. So I will take this for maybe 30 days and come back and give my opinion if I feel any difference. I'm sure it will help, but it will be interesting to see if I feel a difference. Okay guys, it's been well over 30 days since I've been taking this chromium supplement. While I haven't really noticed anything significant, the benefits are definitely there. So I've personally incorporated more, drinking more water and exercising more. So I think in combination with the supplements, I definitely feel better. So if you're interested in purchasing it, I have included a link in the description section below the video. So cheers to your good health and thanks for watching.